ALMA Therapy. ALMA therapy is an advanced laser treatment used primarily for aesthetic and medical applications, including skin rejuvenation, hair removal, and addressing various dermatological conditions. The term ALMA refers to the ALMA Lasers Company, a pioneer in the field of laser, light-based, radiofrequency, and ultrasound solutions for the aesthetic and surgical markets. ALMA Lasers has developed a variety of devices that fall under the ALMA therapy umbrella, each designed to address specific skin concerns with precision and efficacy. 1. History and development of ALMA therapy. ALMA therapy represents a culmination of decades of research and development in the field of medical lasers. The evolution of laser technology began in the 1960s when the first laser was invented. Since then, the application of lasers in medicine has expanded significantly. ALMA Lasers, founded in 1999, has been at the forefront of this technological revolution, continuously innovating to provide solutions that are both effective and safe for a wide range of patients. The development of ALMA therapy involved the integration of multiple laser technologies, such as Q-switched lasers, diode lasers, and fractional lasers, into versatile platforms that could be used for various treatments. ALMA Lasers focused on creating devices that could address multiple skin concerns with minimal downtime, making them appealing to both patients and practitioners. 2. Types of ALMA therapy devices. ALMA Lasers offers a variety of devices under the ALMA therapy umbrella, each designed for specific treatments. A. Soprano ICE. The Soprano ICE is a diode laser system designed for hair removal. It is known for its virtually painless treatment process, thanks to its advanced cooling technology. The Soprano ICE system can be used on all skin types, including tan skin, and is effective on a wide range of hair colors and textures. The system works by gradually heating the dermis to a temperature that effectively damages the hair follicle while preventing injury to the surrounding tissue. B. Harmony XL Pro. The Harmony XL Pro is a versatile platform that can be used for a wide range of aesthetic treatments. It includes multiple handpieces that allow for the treatment of various skin conditions, such as pigmentation, vascular lesions, acne, and skin rejuvenation. The Harmony XL Pro uses advanced technologies like intense pulsed light, IPL, Q-switched ND, lasers, and near-infrared, NIR, to deliver effective results. C. Pixel CO2. The Pixel CO2 laser is a fractional ablative laser used primarily for skin resurfacing. It is highly effective in treating fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and other skin imperfections. The Pixel CO2 works by creating micro-injuries in the skin, which stimulate the body's natural healing process and promote the production of new collagen. D. ClearLift. ClearLift is a non-ablative fractional laser treatment that targets the dermis, the deeper layer of the skin, without affecting the outer layer. It is often referred to as the lunchtime facelift because it requires no downtime and can be completed in a short amount of time. ClearLift is effective in treating fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. E. Accent Prime. Accent Prime is a body contouring and skin tightening device that combines ultrasound and radiofrequency technologies. It is used to reduce fat, tighten skin, and improve the appearance of cellulite. The system's dual technologies allow for deep tissue heating, which stimulates collagen production and improves skin elasticity. 3. Applications of ALMA therapy. ALMA therapy can be used to address a wide range of aesthetic and medical concerns. Some of the most common applications include: A. Hair removal. ALMA therapy, particularly with the Soprano ICE system, is one of the most popular methods for permanent hair reduction. The treatment is suitable for all skin types and can be used on various areas of the body, including the face, legs, arms, underarms, and bikini line. The process is relatively quick, with most sessions lasting between 15 and 45 minutes, depending on the size of the area being treated. B. Skin rejuvenation. Skin rejuvenation is a broad term that encompasses treatments aimed at improving the overall appearance of the skin. ALMA therapy devices like the Harmony XL Pro and ClearLift are commonly used for this purpose. These treatments can address concerns such as uneven skin tone, texture irregularities, and fine lines. By stimulating collagen production and promoting cellular turnover, ALMA therapy helps to restore a youthful glow to the skin. C. Acne treatment. Acne is a common skin condition that can be challenging to treat. ALMA therapy offers several solutions for acne, including the use of IPL and Q-switched lasers. These treatments target the bacteria responsible for acne and reduce inflammation, helping to clear up existing breakouts and prevent future ones. D. Vascular lesions. Vascular lesions, such as spider veins, port wine stains, and rosacea, can be effectively treated with ALMA therapy. The Harmony XL Pro platform includes specific handpieces designed to target these issues by using light energy to coagulate the blood vessels, which are then gradually reabsorbed by the body. E. Pigmentation issues. Hyperpigmentation, melasma, and other pigmentation issues can be addressed with ALMA therapy. The use of Q-switched lasers and IPL helps to break down excess melanin in the skin, leading to a more even skin tone. F. Scar treatment. Scars, including acne scars, surgical scars, and stretch marks, can be improved with ALMA therapy. Fractional laser treatments, such as those provided by the Pixel CO2 system, create controlled micro-injuries in the skin, promoting the formation of new, healthy tissue. G. Body contouring. ALMA therapy is also used for body contouring and fat reduction. The Accent Prime system, which combines ultrasound and radiofrequency, is particularly effective for non-invasive body shaping. The treatment helps to reduce stubborn fat deposits and tighten loose skin, resulting in a more toned and contoured appearance. 4. The science behind ALMA therapy. The effectiveness of ALMA therapy lies in its ability to harness the power of various energy-based technologies. Here's a closer look at the science behind some of the key technologies used in ALMA therapy. A. Laser technology. Lasers emit concentrated beams of light that can target specific tissues in the skin. The wavelength of the laser determines what type of tissue it will affect. For example, the diode laser used in the Soprano ICE system has a wavelength that is particularly effective at targeting the melanin in hair follicles, making it ideal for hair removal. B. Intense pulse light, IPL. IPL is a broad-spectrum light that can target multiple skin concerns simultaneously. Unlike lasers, which emit light at a single wavelength, IPL emits light at multiple wavelengths, allowing it to treat a range of issues, such as pigmentation, vascular lesions, and acne. C. Radiofrequency, RF. Radiofrequency energy is used to heat the deeper layers of the skin without damaging the surface. This heat stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which are essential for maintaining the skin's firmness and elasticity. RF technology is commonly used in skin tightening and body contouring treatments. D. Ultrasound. Ultrasound technology is used in body contouring treatments to target and destroy fat cells. The high-frequency sound waves penetrate the skin and create thermal effects that break down fat cells, which are then naturally eliminated by the body. E. Fractional technology. Fractional lasers create tiny, controlled micro-injuries in the skin, leaving the surrounding tissue intact. This approach promotes faster healing and reduces the risk of complications. Fractional technology is commonly used in skin resurfacing treatments, such as those provided by the Pixel CO2 laser. 5. The treatment experience. Patients undergoing ALMA therapy can generally expect a comfortable and efficient treatment experience. Here's what a typical treatment process might involve. A. Consultation. Before undergoing ALMA therapy, patients typically have a consultation with a qualified practitioner. During this consultation, the practitioner will assess the patient's skin concerns, medical history, and goals for treatment. This information is used to create a customized treatment plan. B. Preparation. On the day of the treatment, the area to be treated is typically cleaned and prepped. For some treatments, a topical anesthetic may be applied to minimize discomfort. Protective eyewear is provided to shield the eyes from the laser or light energy. C. The procedure. The ALMA therapy device is applied to the skin and the treatment begins. Depending on the type of treatment, patients may feel a warming sensation, mild tingling, or slight discomfort. Most treatments are relatively quick, lasting anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, depending on the area being treated. D. Post-treatment care. After the procedure, patients may experience mild redness or swelling, similar to a sunburn. These side effects typically subside within a few hours to a few days. The practitioner may provide specific post-treatment care instructions, such as avoiding sun exposure or using a gentle skincare routine. E. Results. The results of ALMA therapy can vary depending on the type of treatment and the individual's skin concerns. Some treatments, such as hair removal, require multiple sessions to achieve optimal results. Others, like skin rejuvenation or body contouring, may show improvement after just one session, with continued improvement over time as collagen production increases. 6. Safety and efficacy. One of the key advantages of ALMA therapy is its safety profile. ALMA Lasers has designed its devices to deliver effective treatments while minimizing the risk of side effects. However, as with any medical procedure, there are potential risks and considerations. A. Safety features. ALMA therapy devices are equipped with advanced safety features, such as real-time monitoring and automatic adjustments, to ensure that the treatment is both safe and effective. For example, the Soprano ICE system uses cooling technology to protect the skin during hair removal, reducing the risk of burns or other complications. B. Potential side effects. While side effects are generally minimal, they can include redness, swelling, bruising, or temporary changes in skin pigmentation. These side effects are typically mild and resolve on their own within a few days. C. Contraindications. Certain conditions may contraindicate ALMA therapy, such as active infections, open wounds, or certain skin conditions. Pregnant women and individuals with a history of photosensitivity should consult with their healthcare provider before undergoing treatment. D. Clinical studies. Numerous clinical studies have demonstrated the efficacy of ALMA therapy in treating various skin concerns. For example, studies on the Soprano ICE system have shown high levels of patient satisfaction with hair removal results, while studies on the Harmony XL Pro have demonstrated its effectiveness in treating pigmentation and vascular lesions. 7. Choosing a practitioner. Selecting a qualified practitioner is crucial for achieving the best results with ALMA therapy. Patients should look for a practitioner who is experienced in using ALMA therapy devices and has a thorough understanding of the skin and its various conditions. It is also important to choose a practitioner who takes the time to understand the patient's goals and creates a personalized treatment plan. 8. Patient satisfaction and testimonials. Patient satisfaction with ALMA therapy is generally high, with many individuals reporting significant improvements in their skin concerns. Testimonials often highlight the convenience of the treatments, with minimal downtime and long-lasting results. Patients appreciate the versatility of ALMA therapy, as it can address multiple concerns in a single session. 9. The future of ALMA therapy. As technology continues to advance, the future of ALMA therapy looks promising. ALMA Lasers is continually innovating and developing new devices and treatments to address a wider range of concerns. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning could potentially lead to even more personalized and effective treatments. Additionally, the demand for non-invasive aesthetic treatments is expected to grow, driven by a desire for natural-looking results with minimal downtime. ALMA therapy is well positioned to meet this demand, offering a wide range of solutions that cater to diverse patient needs. 10. Conclusion. ALMA therapy represents a significant advancement in the field of aesthetic medicine. With its wide range of applications, from hair removal to skin rejuvenation and body contouring, ALMA therapy offers patients safe, effective, and convenient solutions for improving their appearance. The technology behind ALMA therapy continues to evolve, promising even greater results in the future. Whether addressing common skin concerns or seeking more specialized treatments, patients can benefit from the precision and versatility of ALMA therapy, making it a valuable tool in the hands of qualified practitioners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.